So this is a new tutorial about the new campaigns feature on the RGS website. In a nutshell, what the campaign is the ability for an admin to send a custom invitation to a new user only, who will in turn be given certain levels of access and features. And the great thing about this is that the emails are not sent through the R Group Space website. It's actually sent through the through your email client, which is a great feature because it means that you're not you won't be, less people get spammed, and there'll be a lot more features, like you could send emails with attachments and everything. So let's go through the steps about building a brand new campaign. I'm going to have to play two roles. I'm going to play Tom, who is the new user, and I'm going to play myself, Ryan, as the admin. So there's going to be a little bouncing back and forth. I'll try and change my voice to make it a little easier. All right, so you can see I already have a couple campaigns already kind of created. Now we're actually going to go ahead and use the new welcome one. I think it's the most appealing, and it has all the features already built in. So what I did from the get-go is we just gave it a new name. Now that name will be applied to the link right here. Now this is a very important feature, the link up here. This link is what will actually, you'll need to copy this and send this to all your email addresses that you want to get logged in. And that's the only way it works, and it allows you to really have some more control, but you need to be aware of that. So going through, what I did was I typed in that. I put in my artwork and my graphics and everything here. Here I chose my full HTML. And then in groups, I've only invited the people in beta test community. Now I'm going to just do home here. And you can see I type in home, and it automatically pops up the home group. Now that means that all users that log in will automatically become users of the home. Now I didn't make mention to the roles. It's kind of hidden here. Now this is another feature, which means that all users that you also log in this way will already have these default roles. So this is a great feature as well. Now scrolling back down, this is actually a restriction. This is a very important feature. So it keeps random people from logging into the site. Now what it means is that anyone that you either, one of two ways, you can say that only users that have a specific domain on the end, for instance, Montclair, .edu. If they only have that, the only people that have that email on the end will be able to get in. So you actually may want to do that, but you have to make sure that it says restricted. This may add more problems, but it'll also kind of add a little security. You can also actually type in all the email addresses that are only allowed in here. So if your email is exactly like one of the ones that's in this pile, then it won't matter at all. You won't be able to get in. The users won't be able to get in. So I'm going to go ahead and just go back to public, just to kind of keep it a little bit easy. And this doesn't matter anymore. I can delete it. All right, so following down, you can even upload a file if you so desire. And the end here is if you have already done this and you want to actually delete it, delete. So we're just going to save it. And oops, 1 second. Looks like I was logged in as I did this earlier as another test. All right, so going back to controls, and all right, here we are. We're back to where we were. All right, so here's the link. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually click it once you're done making your campaign. And here's the campaign that we plan on sending out in the near future. And you can see that Ryerson and I created this custom artwork, and here we are with instructions and everything. But all this doesn't matter because we need to actually send this out. So this has to be, people have to be ready to get this and know what to do right away. And it already has 1 and 2 steps. Okay, so up here's the URL again. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to actually send this off to to one user. Now remember, it's scalable, so it could be like 100 users if you so desire. But we're just going to send it to one user. I'm just going to go to edit copy, and I'm just going to go into my Yahoo here, and I'm going to compose a new message. I'm going to send this to RGS .numbers, and let's call this the RGS website, RGS invite. Sorry. And then in here, I'm going to actually paste the link. So we're just going to go up to edit, paste, and there it is, and there's the link. This email can be anything you want because it is your email browser. I use Yahoo. You can use anything you want. If you use Gmail or anything or Outlook, that's the way to do it. The most important part is that you put in the link and you make sure that all the email addresses you send this to, someone on the other end, and basically they're spelled right. So we're just going to say click this link. And there it is. All right. So we're going to send this off to RGS numbers, and then I'm going to act as my second role, which is Tom, who's going to be a brand new user. So hit send. All right. Now let's go over to Tom's email. Nope, there it is. All right. So click this link, and I click it. Now I'm already logged in, so let me log out. All right. And sorry about that. Let me just go back through this. Okay. So now I'm Tom, and Tom clicks the link, and he goes, oh, look at this. All right. Here's a new campaign. So what do I got to do here? I got to type in my email address. RGS. I think we're at 20 now. So he puts in his email address, whatever it is, and then his name's Tom, or, I'm Tom now, White. And I want to get started. So I hit that. And right away it's going to say that it just sent you an email. So your password and further instructions have been sent to your email address, which you just put in. So let's jump back up here to the mail, Tom's email, and it looks like he got another email. I got it from the website. Now the website sent this, and this is the part that Tom's going to actually have to log in through. So he's going to actually go over here, and he's going to click the link, bam, and it's going to take him to a new login. Now it's got an expiration date, so he needs to log in right away. So he's going to log in, and here he's going to put his new email and his new, his new password. All right, and oops. So sorry. Alrighty, and he's going to hit save. So Tom now can see all this, and immediately he's going to get here. He's going to see that he's a this is community he's right into, and everything that we added, we had chosen for him, and he's just in beta test community. So if we had made him home community and all that, then he would actually have more features to see, and he'll learn more about the site itself. You can see he actually he can go to home, but he's not even a member yet, so he can even join if he decides to. But we would make that decision from the get-go for him. So that's it. Now he's in, and he's now a member. That's it. That's how campaigns work.